up? This is Buster B. Just did a test flight with this gimbal right here. Got this from a friend of mine named Rick. This is one of his older gimbals he had on his Nova. You can see I upgraded to a very tiny FPV camera. This thing is like only a few grams RC, but this gimbal, and it's actually a lot lighter than that other gimbal that I had. And it seemed to be working pretty good with this GoPro. So just did a little test flight. Also, I moved my video transmitter to the leg over here. Antenna sticking out the back. Just did a little test flight with this thing here, and it did pretty good. But so far, this thing's doing pretty good. Just gonna make some adjustments to my settings so I could get a little bit more pitch for forward flight and maneuvering all around. Because right now, if I go pretty much full stick, it's only going about that much of an angle. So I want to go like that, so I can at least get into the wind and fly around and stuff like that. But so far, everything's doing pretty good with this setup. And my ground station is still holding together. And for the quads, I'm using still my 5.8 gigahertz, both receivers, omnidirectional, and the patch antenna. And so far, this eagle-eyes diversity box is doing pretty good, switching around, even though I'm not going really far with this kind of setup, but it's just right now testing out and just flying around. I got the Nova in Loiter mode, and GPS is holding it with the strong winds. Look, I'm not touching anything on the sticks, and she's holding the position right here in the sky. It's doing pretty good. If you get the good, your satellites locked in pretty good, you set up correctly, it will hold its position. Okay, I just hit return to home. Let go of the sticks right here, as you can see. And she's trying to fight her way back down. Come back home. And it should do an auto land. You see, not touching anything. She's inching her way back down to the ground. Automatic landing with GPS, return to home. I'm gonna walk a little bit closer to get a better look.